Hey guys, I'm making a new channel here, and my name is David, and I'm gonna be showing this cool fidget spinner, and it spins like this. It's really cool. It's for kids that are ADHD. Well, it doesn't really matter. It's for kids, for any kids. Well, no, it's really cool. You can get it almost anywhere. You can get it at Amazon. I just saw new ones at Target. I got this at Didi's, but this is really cool. It's a real one, I'm pretty sure. And there's different ways you can use it. So as I said, you can get this many places. Like, let's see. Hold on, let me. Let's see. You know, that's all I remember. But you know, you can do tricks on this thing, like this. This is called nose spin. I kind of messed up there. And you can also do knee spin, which is like this. Cool, isn't it? It's really cool. It has these three pointy things here. And you can spin it like this. You can also go like that. It's really cool. Also, there's another trick. You go like this. You go like this. You like spin it, and then you like go like that. Oh, I lost it there. I'm not really good at that trick yet. And there's another one I saw. You switch it from hand to hand. It fell right here. I'm not really good at these tricks, but these are really cool. And you can get at Walgreens too. I think Walmart. But there's also light up ones and glow in the dark ones. This is just a normal fidget spinner with normal bearings. You can take this piece off, but if you like accidentally take it off, doesn't mean that you ruined it. It's completely replaceable. You can completely put this back on, this bearing on. I'll show you a little closer right here. This is a bearing right here, and this is the bearing I was showing you. And it's really cool. Okay, bye.
No, no, no.